Now we will understand about solutions, or they are also known as true solutions. So solution is a homogeneous mixture. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances that only react physically, not chemically. Only physical mixing is there. The nature of solutions is they are homogeneous mixtures. Now the solution have two components. The first component of the solution is the solute, and the second component is solvent. Now what is solute and what is solvent? Solute is the component which is being dissolved. Solute is the component which is being dissolved. Okay? And solvent is the component in which the other component, that is the solute, is dissolved. Solute is being dissolved and solvent is the component in which the solute is dissolved. Solute and solvent. So if we again take the example of sugar solution, we have taken water and we have added sugar. We have taken water and we have added, this is water, and we have added sugar. Now we dissolve the sugar. So in this type of solution, which is a homogeneous true solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. So these are, now why solutions are called true solutions? Because there is no visible boundaries of separation. After dissolving the sugar, you cannot see the sugar particles. Okay, the sugar gets completely dissolved in the solvent, in the water. That is why they are called true solutions. The size of the particles of the true solution are so small that they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Means we cannot see the particles of sugar and the particles of water by the naked eye. They are so small. Okay, so these are called solutions or true solutions. Another example of solution is sugar in water. If we dissolve salt in water. Another example of solution will be vinegar. If we talk about vinegar, vinegar is a solution of water with acetic acid. Vinegar is made up of water plus acetic acid. So this is also an example of true solution. Okay, true solutions, nature of their is homogeneous. They are homogeneous mixtures. The particle size is small, so small that they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Okay,